you, Superstar, for showing up in Taipei. Take this honor.
Hi, Tatya Hao. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. My name is Kim Chu and I'm from ABS-CBN Philippines. Okay. And the award for Best Asian Drama Series made for regional or international market goes to... Oh, wow.
Wow.
We have a joint winner.